What is 7,864 divided by 53? If we write it out like this, we can see that 53 doesn't go into 7 because 53 is greater than 7. If we try now 53 into 78, we can do it once. So we do 78 minus 53. 8 minus 3 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. So we now have 25. If we drag down the 6, we end up with 256. So now we need to think about how does 53 get into 256. Let's take an estimate. So we say 53 times 5, we'll get 5 times 3, which is 15, and 5 times 5 is 25, plus the one we carried over is 26. That leaves us with 265. But that's too big because it's greater than 256. So we're going to have to try one lower than that. So let's try 53 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 5 is 20, plus the one we carried over is 21. That leaves us with 212, which we can now use in our division. So we're going to put the 4 at the top and subtract 212 from 256. 6 minus 2 is 4, 5 minus 1 is 4, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Let's drag down the 4 at the end. We now have 444. So now we're going to have to do the same thing again. How does 53 get into 444? Let's start off with an estimate of 8. 3 times 8 is 24, and 8 times 5 is 40, plus the 2 we carried over is 42. So we now have 424, which we're going to take away from 444. So we put the 8 at the top, and we do that. We now have 4 minus 4, which is 0, 4 minus 2, which is 2, and 4 minus 4, which is 0, which leaves us with 148, remainder 20, as our final answer. If you like this video, share it with a friend. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.